Formatting the output. Hi, welcome to this new lesson. If you would like to format our output to make it look attractive, in this case you can use the format method or function, and this function is used with any string object. Let's show this by checking a simple example. In this program, the curly braces are used as placeholders. The value of x variable is placed in the position of the first curly braces, and y variable is placed in the second curly braces. And also you can specify the order in which they are printed by using number or tuple index, exactly as follows. You see, we got this result, and that is because tea has index 0 and milk has index 1. And also there is another way, which is using the keyword arguments to format the string. Let's see that. This program has given us this output. Hi Marcelo, welcome. Hi, then the value of name, then the value of greet. Well, let's talk about the input function. You can take any type of data like string, number, list, and so on using the input function. In this example, we have used the input function to take an input from a user, and we placed this input, it's 10, and immediately after type this value and pressed the enter button, this value was stored inside the variable called number, and now the value of number variable is 10. Also, you can see that the entered value is 10, is a string data type, not a number. String inside single quotes, as you can see, and to convert this into a number you can use functions like int or float. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I'm here to help you all the time. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.